A broken heart is a bitch. A man's heart comes alive very quickly, especially when it's broken, and when it comes alive, it starts wanting a woman immediately. It's a force of nature. Forces of nature are almost as good as forces of God, but they can only be good forces if they lead to good results. Not being able to live without the taste of a man's broken heart doesn't count as a good result. A bitch is delicious, and a man's broken heart is also delicious, so a man's broken heart is in fact a bitch. A man's broken heart is a bitch, and a man's broken heart is also a little monkey skull. The question is God a male or a female? And if God is a female, it's very hard to let her go. If the female God has the power to pull your heart out and replace it by a little monkey skull, it is even harder to let her go. It's the proof of her power. In my land, a woman that has the audacity to replace a heart by a monkey skull would be evicted. She is a symbol of emptiness and frustration, and I would remove that symbol from my land and replace it by a symbol of love. It's a safe land. You're welcome. Whose fault is it? I rang on every doorbell, but none of the girls would open the door for me, as if opening a door for me would be the end of the world. Whose fault is it? When the people like you, it makes everything a lot easier. I would have found a girlfriend at an earlier stage in my life if I wouldn't have met with great opposition. You consider the fact that the world is opposed to me as a good reason to join everybody? Of course you do. How could it be any different? You don't want to take any chances because I might pull you down. Case closed. My solitude is a collective decision. It's a collective judgment. God is so smart. God said, if you need anything, anything at all, just knock on the door and someone will open the door. It's in the Bible. You know why he wrote it in the Bible? Besides the fact that if you need charity, you don't have any other choice but to knock on someone's door? Because he's smart. He created a world with no doors at all, and then he wrote in the Bible the thing I just said. That is smart. Very smart. Is this a joke? I don't know any hospitable door. I only know hostile doors. I can't think of a word that's worse than door right now, except the symbol of my downfall, but that's more than one word. The word door never meant anything good to me. I know why I can go ahead and knock on every door until all my teeth fall out. Because Radu Radu bars the way. Radu Radu will bar the way as long as I don't drop the charges against her, and I have no intention to do so, unless I have a good reason to. You can't understand all the things I wrote about Radu Radu? You can't understand the depths of the maliciousness of Radu Radu? Try it. Then you'll also understand I have every reason not to submit, and not to drop the charges. I think people are still confusing Radu Radu with the Virgin Mary. She just gets everybody tangled up.